Chef. I am Chef Smith from Heaven's Healthy Kitchen, and this is Speak from the Seat. And so, this is where we talk about food, health, and God. And so, this episode, I'm going to talk about God. So, quick story. How did Heaven's Healthy Kitchen get started? So, a friend of mine said, "Man, I think you should really pursue what you're doing with the cooking, the making deliveries, etc." That was a time when I was shipping product to like California, like all over the states. That's really how I got started. And so me being I don't like to say hustler, but a person that just knows how to work and works hard like a 9 to 5 or whatever. And so I was doing both at the time. And but this person was just so convinced that, man, you should pursue this. So I should pursue the cooking and stuff more. So at the time I didn't have a name and all this stuff. And so I decided to go to God and pray on it. I said, "God, you know me. I work hard. All I've known is to hustle and work and take care of things. And what I'm saying, like, me not working is just not even a thing that's, So the prayer was, "God, do you want me to do both? Do you want me to just work? Or do you want me to pursue this entrepreneur thing?" So God said, "Do the entrepreneur thing." He told me to first put God, of course, put him in it. And he said, teach people about health. Teach health. And so I was like, man, good. Now, listen, to know your purpose is a beautiful thing. It is a wonderful thing. And I'm going to continue in part 2 of this. Hey, you guys, I'm Chef Smith with Heaven's Healthy Kitchen. Y'all, you got to get this cookbook, Cook Like Me. If you get it in person, you get a free protein bookmark. You save $10. You can also get it on Amazon. Type Emmanuel Smith, Eat to Live, and Live Well under books. You can find it on Amazon.
Are you looking for a homemade plant-based meal? Trying to feed your body physical, mental, and spiritual? Well, I have a place for you. Heaven's Healthy Kitchen. Weekly meals and meal prep. Delivery, catering, curbside service. Heaven's Healthy Kitchen. We got food for your soul. Eat to live